Don't have sex, because you will get pregnant and die.
And what do they call you?
Kira. She's in our history class.
No tiene que ser tan duro.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Wasn't me. Sorry, buddy. Wasn't me.
He did it.
Wasn't me.
Get some rest.
Thanks, Mom.
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not.
Fuck! Seriously? It's like you're photoshopped.
We're going to destroy all of them styles. One life. One.
Why?
That is what we call a bitch slap. A bitch slap for a bitch. What do you say we go outside and finish it off, huh?
I'm awesome. No, you.
Put it down!
Pull the trigger. Come on.
Listen to me! You put the gun down now! Put the gun down! Shoot me! Put the gun down! Shoot me! Why did you put it down?
Please, please! Kill me, kill me. Not him.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies.
Hey, sexy lady! Hey, come on!
Oh, crap.
You are not dead. You are not dead.
This is Lydia.
I'm here to save my best friend.
I came to save mine. I just didn't feel like doing any homework.
You with them moves like Jagger. I've got them moves like Jagger.
When Jason was at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.